first class children, good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of second chapter, numbers up to 20. In this chapter, we have to learn numbers from 1 to 20 and number names from 1 to 20, ONE1 to TWENTY 20. Number names means write the spelling of the given number. Okay. Next, before, after, between numbers. Next, put the correct symbol greater than, less than, equal to. Increasing order means ascending order. Decreasing order means descending order. Okay. And the next one, I got you today's class. First, I am going to revise. Look at the board now. Read out the numbers. Yes. Good. Come on. Read out the given numbers. Very good. Read out. Very good. Once again, read out the numbers, Nana. 8, 16, 9, 18, 3, 12, 14, 7, 20, 16. One digit numbers 1 to 9. 1 is the smallest one digit number. 9 is the greatest one digit number. See, here one digit numbers are 8, 9, 3, 7. Okay. Next, 10 is the first two digit number. Here in this chapter we learned up to 20 only. That means 10 to 20 are two digit numbers. Two digit means that numbers having two numbers, 1 and 6, 1 and 2, 1 and 4, 2 and 0, 1 and 6. This is going to, how to read this number? 16, 16, 18, 12, 14, 20, 16. These are the numbers from 1 to 20. How to read the numbers? How to read the numbers? Once again, 8, 16, 9, 18, 3, 12, 14, 7, 20, 16. One digit numbers and two digit numbers. Another one, number names. Number names. Number names means writing words. Writing words. Come on. What is the number? 9. Writing words. N-I-N-E. 9. Very good. What is this number? 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Next, 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. Very good. What is this number? 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Number names means how we are going to read the number. Writing words. Next one. What is this number? Come on. Write the number name. What is it? 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Next, 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Next, 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. One digit number names, two digit numbers number names. Okay, number names means we write in words. We write in words. Next one, write the number or write the numeral. Write the number or write the numeral. N-U-M-B-E-R. Write the number. Ready? Read the spelling and write number. Read the word and write the number. S-E-V-E-N. Yes, very good. 7. Next, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. 18. Two-digit number. 110, 8 ones. 18. 110, 8 ones. Next, 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Number or numeral. Next word, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. 110, 4 ones. 14. Next one, F-5. Read the word F-I-V-E. 5. Write number 5. Okay. Next, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. What is that word? 17. 110, 7 1. 17. Next word, T-W-E-L-V-E. What is this word? 12. Write the number 12. These are numbers or numerals for the given number names. Next, place value. Place value. P-L-A-C-E. Place. V-A-L-U-E. Value. Place value. 1 to 9 numbers are one-digit numbers. Those are ones. Next, two-digit numbers. Starting number is 10. In this chapter, ending number is 20. That means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Those are two-digit numbers. What is the smallest two-digit number? 10. What is the smallest two-digit number? 10. Two-digit means that number having two places. Those are T-E-N-S tens, O-N-E-S ones. We are going to using short form. Goes to T. Ones for O. O for ones, T for tens. T-E-N-S tens, O-N-E-S ones. Tens and ones. Now I given some numbers. You see. What is this number, Nana? 16. This is ones place. This is tens place. Right side place is ones. Left side place is tens. How many tens? 1, 10. T for 10. 1, 10. T-E-N 10. And how many ones? 6 ones. How many ones? 6 ones. O-N-E-S ones. 1, 10 and 6 ones, 16. This is in words. Now write in number 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 1, 6. This is the place value of 16 in words and in number. 1, 10 and 6 ones. 1, 10 and 6 ones. Are you understood? Next one. What is the number? 13. Ones place, tens place. That means 13 means 1, 10 and 3 ones. 1, 10 and 3 ones. In number 1, 10. 10 plus 3 ones means 3. 10 plus 3 is the place value of 13. Or 1, 10 and 3 ones, 13. 13 having 1, 10 and 3 ones. So 1 is in the tens place. T for tens. 1, 10. 3 is in the ones place. O for ones. 1, 10 and 3 ones. Now read this number. Yes. 20. Ones place. Tens place. How many tens? Very good. 2 tens and 0 ones. 2 tens and 0 ones. 2 tens means 20 plus 0 ones means 0. Place value of 20. Like that. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 10 and 5 ones. 17. 1, 10 and 7 ones. 19. 1, 10 and 9 ones. 12, 1 10 and 2 ones. Those are going to 2-digit number place value. Tens place, ones place. Next one. Before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before, after, A-F-T-R, after, B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between, before, after, between. We are going to using this concept in numbers. See, I am going to take numbers 8, 9, 10. I am going to take 3 numbers. 8, 9, 10. 8 is dash 9. Tell me, 8 is dash 9. 8 is front number of 9. It comes in the left side. That means 8 is before 9. Here we are going to using the word before. 8 is before number of 9. 8 is just before. 8 comes before 9. 8 comes before 9. Now see, 10 is dash 9. 10 is dash 9. It comes next. That means after. A-F-T-R, after. 10 is after 9. 10 comes after 9. After number of 9 is 10. Before number of 9 is 8. Now 9. 9 is dash 8 and 10. Where is 9? Middle. Middle means between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. 9 is between 8 and 10. 9 is in between 8 and 10. 9 is in between 8 and 10. 8 is before 9. 10 is after 9. 9 is in between 8 and 10. Okay? Now tell me before numbers of given numbers. You think and give me correct answer now. Come on. Given numbers. 8. Left side dash means you should write before number. That means what comes before 8? 7. Very good. Now before 12. Very good. 11. Next 15 before 14. Very good. 6 before 5. 18 before 17. Now check the answer. 7, 8. 11, 12. 14, 15. 5, 6. 17, 18. These are before numbers of given numbers. See, before number of 8, 7. What comes before 12? 11. What comes before 15? 14. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 18? 17. These are before numbers of the given numbers. 7 is before 8. 11 is before 12. 14 is before 15. 5 is before 6. 17 is before 18. Now go to next one. After. After numbers of given number. After means next number. 13 after, 19 after, 8 after, 10 after, 2 after. Come on. 13 after means what comes after 13? 14. Very good. Next number. 19 after, 20. 20 is after 19. 14 is after 13. Now what comes after 8? 9. Very good. What comes after 10? 11. Very good. What comes after 2? 3. Very good. These are after numbers of the given numbers. 14 is after 13. 20 is after 19. 9 is after 8. 11 is after 10. 3 is after 2. Next, go goes to between. Between number of the given numbers, middle number. 6 and 8, 1 and 3, 10 and 12, 15 and 17. Come on, tell me the middle number. Which number comes in between 6 and 8? The between number of 6 and 8. Very good. That means after 6, before 8. After 6, before 8. 6 after 7. 6, 7, 8. 7 is in between 6 and 8. Now come to second one. 1 and 3. The between number is 2. 1, 2, 3. 2 comes in between 1 and 3. 2 is between 1 and 3. Next, 10 and 12. 11. 10, 11, 12. Next, 15, dash 17. 16. 15, 16, 17. These are the between numbers of the given two numbers. Next concept goes to increasing order or decreasing order. Increasing order and decreasing order. Increasing, INCREASING, ORDR. Another name is ascending order. ASCENDING, ascending order. Generally, we are going to using this word, ascending order, increasing order. We arrange the given numbers from small to big. We arrange the given numbers from small to big. Example, 8, 3, 9, 4, 2. Now arrange the given numbers in increasing order or ascending order. Increasing order means IO. Ascending order, both are same. Both are same. We are going to using this word, ascending order. Arrange the numbers from small to big. 8, 3, 9, 4, 2. All are one digit numbers. Which is small? 2. 2 right in the first place. Next, 3. Next, 4. Next, 8. Next, 9 is big. It comes in the last. Now, the given numbers are in ascending order. Another one. 11, 7, 13, 6, 10. Now arrange the given numbers in ascending order, increasing order. See, 11, 7, 13, 6, 10. 2 numbers are 1 digit, 3 numbers are 2 digit. 1 digit numbers are always less than 2 digit numbers. 1 digit numbers are small, 2 digit numbers are big. Ascending order means small to big. 1 digit numbers are 7 and 6. Which is small in these two? 6. Next, 7. Now go through 2 digit numbers. 11, 13, 10. Which comes? 10. Very good. Next, 11. Next, 13. Now the given numbers are in ascending order. Next order goes to descending order, decreasing order or descending order. DESCENDING, descending order or decreasing order. We arrange the given numbers from big to small. Big to small. Look at the numbers, Nana. 9, 3, 10, 5, 1. Descending order. Here some numbers are, one number is 2 digit, remaining are 1 digit. 2 digit number is more than 1 digit number. 1 digit number is less than 2 digit number. Here the arrangement of numbers from big to small. In the given numbers, which is the big? Yes, 10. 10 right in the first place. Next, 9, 3, 5, 1. 9. Next, 3, 5, 1. 5. Next, 3. Next, 1. Now, the given numbers are in descending order, decreasing order. Next, 12, 18, 16, 19, 17. Arrange these numbers in decreasing order, descending order. Okay? 12, 18, 16, 19, 17. Arrange these numbers in big number to small number. Which number is big? 19. How we are going to find out? One's number is common. All the numbers having 1. Now check out ones. 2, 8, 6, 9, 7. 9 is small. That means 19 is big. Next, 18. Good. Next, 17. Next, 16. Next, 12. Now the given numbers are in descending order. By practicing, you get this concept. Next one. Symbol for greater than. Symbol for less than. What is the third symbol, Nana? Very good. Equal to. We are going to using these symbols in the given numbers. Greater than, less than, equal to. Okay. 9 and 6. Which is big? 9. 9 is big. 6 is small. Now here we are going to keep in greater than. Greater than. Open mouth always looks big number. How to read it? 9 is greater than 6. 9 is greater than 6. Another example. 10 and 15. 10 and 15. Come on. Which is big, which is small? First number is small. 10 is small. Why? 1 is common. 0 is less than 5. That means 10 is less than 15. 10 is less than 15. 10 is small. 15 is big. Another example. 13 and 13. First number is 13. Second number is 13. That means both are same value. Equal to. 13 equal to 13. Another one. 11 and 4. 11 and 4. 11 is 2-digit number. 4 is 1-digit number. 11 is big. Put the symbol greater than. 11 is greater than 4. 11 is greater than 4. 16 and 19. 16 and 19. Tens are common. 6 is small. 9 is big. Then put the symbol less than. 16 is less than 19. 16 is less than 19. Greater than. Symbol for greater than. Symbol for less than. Symbol for equal to. Next one. Number line. NUMBER. Number. LINE. Line. Number line. Number line. What is that? Number line. Number line. See. Straight line. It starts from the smallest number 0. Put 2 arrow marks both the sides. Starting number is 0. We write the numbers, yes, in equal gaps. See, each number is increased by 1. Go to right side. 0 after 1, 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7, 7 after 8, 8 after 9, 9 after 10. This is the number line from 0 to 10. Number line start with the smallest number 0. A line on which numbers are given in order. the each number increases right side by 1. See, 0 after 1, 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the number line from 0 to 10. We write the numbers in order. Okay? The middle number is 5. More than 5, less than 5. These numbers are greater than 5. These numbers are less than 5. This is number line, L-I-N-E. Okay, Nana? Thank you very much. You practice all the concepts. I send you first chapter notes through WhatsApp. You take one new check rule book. Take your mother's help and